I am blessed every time.
I built the empire from ground up, now I'm moving in. I could be dead or in jail, but I'm not, so blessed be. I'm a businessman, where higher power goes. The things I expect out of life, only God knows what I know. So difference between me and these pocket watchers, I move like the wind, they drive slow. I'm on top of my game like wow, whoa. And I always keep what I do on the down low. Despite the energy I get from being around foes, I'm happy with the way I get money. What's the frowns for? Yeah, I know what it's about. Yeah, I spot the haters. But for those who don't know, I am not a traitor. See, I love my hood, but what's the sense in doing favors if it ain't helping me make new paper? I'm trying to build the empire from the ground up. When I got bigger, you should've known I got my pounds up. And so in me mentally, you trying to get me wound up. But man, I'm about to turn this whole town up. Believe that. I'm so happy them boys don't know who I am. They probably would though if I bought that new BM. A lot of things I did before, I would do again. And the fact that I'm still getting money, so blessed be. I came out on the block like a hooligan. Some don't remember me, so they asking people who was him. I built the empire from ground up, now I'm moving in. I could be dead or in jail, but I'm not, so blessed be. I got it mapped out, the plan is laid out. Only thing left to do now is let it play out. Twinkies and half a man's on the takeout. If you understood, then you should understand how this works out. My delivery time is from 9 to 9. He want 3 Twinkies for 50, now 9 to 9. No matter what, I still trap like I don't got a dime. Get mines is what I signed on that dotted line. So if I'm driving anywhere, I ain't driving there for less. Especially if you know I'm supplying you with the best. See, I'm nothing like the rest. That's some of them to the left. My name is Warren Wright, so I aim to do it right. You could call me Skip Wise, cause I think before I move. 1 minute I'm there, next minute I'm not. Like, ooh, I'm like you, I got a lot to lose. So posting up is something I don't do, dog, you hear me? I'm so happy them boys don't know who I am. They probably would though if I bought that new BM. A lot of things I did before, I would do again. And the fact that I'm still getting money, so blessed be. I came out on the block like a hooligan. Some don't remember me, so they asking people who was him. I built the empire from ground up, now I'm moving in. I could be dead or in jail, but I'm not, so blessed be. Am I flashy? Am I flamboyant? Me being so cocky, tell me, is it annoying? Some people say the words I speak is poison. If that's true, I guess my metaphors be the ointment. A real discreet getter from day one. Why show you cash if my credit is A1? I made mines fast, first lesson to make some. Don't be tricking on these money hungry hoes who ain't making none. Real talk, so stash yours and be low key. Less attention means everything they don't see. Blessed be, cause lucky for me, they don't know me. I'm usually OT, maneuvering like a OG. I put away enough for them rainy days. But how painful can life be if this is where we stay? It ain't great, but listen here, I'ma be okay. I came too far, built too much to keep.